day is just another day. It's the sort of day that will offer you chances.
What if you just had one more day? What would you do differently? How much time have you already spent worrying instead of doing something that you love? So what are you going to do with this time? What are you going to do today?
We'll take the stars too. No one pushes us harder than we do. Here's to looking from the top, but we're never gonna stop, 'cause the greatest got us far, but the best is yet to come. Yeah, you ain't seen nothing. I promise this ain't nothing. We're gonna go higher, higher. You know we're not satisfied yet. We could raise it up higher, higher. We're gonna go higher. Go higher, higher. You know we're not satisfied yet. We can raise it up higher, higher. We're gonna go higher.